Okay. Bon appetit. It's ready.
Okay, it smells really good. My saliva was drooling when you were making this, and my stomach was growling already. So it's ready to eat. That's it. I think Nihong knows better which one. She knows how to choose the. She said the heavier the better. Hey, this is heavier. Hey, this is heavier. Actually, this is heavier.
Let's choose that one.
This is heavy. This one is good because it's heavy. See? Big and heavy. 可这个我拿这里装了。是啊，有时我还煮鱼，这个可以煮鱼。OK， 一点够，我家里还有。啊，我知道，这个。OK， 就这样了。你拿。
谢谢。
OK， 白萝卜放了哈。
对，都放了。
放一下。还要买什么？
有排。
Here. Perfect. Oh, it's a vegetable. 看，人家在看，你在发很 still silly. Let's go. Across the road here is better.
Chinese people value health, preservation, and are particular about eating seasonal foods. You know, right?
Yeah, I think so.
You have been living in China for a long time, so you must know it, right?
Yeah, every season have the seasonal vegetable or seasonal fruits.
Yes.
That I know.
Yeah. You know, in ancient times, people ate according to the seasons.
Yeah.
The browns in spring,
Yeah.
leaves in summer,
Yeah.
fruits in autumn, and roots in winter. Yeah. During autumn and winter, we often consume vegetables such as white radish, mushrooms, sweet potatoes,
Yeah.
taro, lettuce,
Yeah.
lotus roots, Chinese cabbage, Chinese yam, and more.
Okay.
Many uses white radish and dried mushroom
Yeah.
as ingredients. Tastes even better than braised meat and is very beneficial to the body. The first, peel the radish and slice it a
Okay.
bit thicker.
Okay. So Vicky, you're now trying to get the pungent taste of the pungent smell of the radish, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Somebody don't like the smell.
Oh, okay. So you get rid of the smell. And so this radish, what are the benefits of radish?
It's so good to the body.
Does it help with like coughings and
Yeah.
bad coughs, that kind.
Do you have that feeling when you drink the radish soup, especially no other things, just radish inside, maybe some bones?
Yeah,
Pork,
pork bones and radish cooked together.
yeah, no other ingredients. Sometimes only have radish alone. After you taste the soup,
Yeah.
you feel so good, especially your lung.
Yeah, it's sort of like intoxify the bad stuff in the body. It helps to intoxify. Well, that's what I heard.
Please make sure to drain the blanched radish thoroughly as you're frying it later on. So to avoid the oil and the water splattering,
Okay.
please do drain the radish.
Do you have to cook it very soft?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm afraid the ginger get burned, so
Yeah, put it on top of the radish.
yeah.
So you have to fry it one by one?
There's no need.
Oh, I thought you're frying one by one. Just put them all together, is it?
The wok is a little bit smaller.
Yeah. Not that. Oh.
This water adds a delightful flavor to the braised radish, so don't forget to keep it.
Okay.
Add a star anise.
One.
Only one is enough. Close the lid and turn to heat.
High heat.
High heat.
Okay.
And meanwhile, let's prepare a sauce.
Yeah. So add the sauce now.
No.
I can smell the soy sauce already. Oh, it's boiling, so boiling heavily.
Cover the lid
Yeah.
and reduce the heat to low.
Wait for 15 minutes, is it?
Yeah, waiting for 15 minutes.
Sauce looks very thick now, very concentrated. I can tell the sauce is very...
Before serving, sprinkle with a little chopped spring onion. Okay, turn off the heat. It's ready.
Okay, smells really good. My saliva was drooling when you were making this, and my stomach was growling already. So it's ready to eat. That's it.
How is it?
It's good. The chicken is very soft and tender, very succulent, and the tasteness is very. It tastes not too sweet, not too salty.
You should also try the radish. So good.
Let me get some mushroom and radish. Try one of the radish. And add a bit of sauce as well. And very soft, the radish.